The ultimate Lunavia Toenail Fungus Pen Review, tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. Toenail fungus is something many people struggle with, but most people get this wrong. They expect instant results. The surprising truth is that any treatment takes consistency and time. Lunavia's Toenail Fungus Pen is designed to support healthier looking nails by helping reduce the appearance of discoloration and brittleness. To use it correctly, clean and dry your nails first. Twist or click the pen, then apply a thin layer directly to the affected nail surface and edges. You won't believe how quickly the solution absorbs when applied properly. Follow the instructions for frequency, usually once or twice daily. Most users notice changes slowly as the nail grows out. That's normal, because nail health improves from the inside out. It may take weeks or even months to see the appearance you want, depending on how severe the issue is. Before buying, check the ingredient list and make sure it fits your needs and sensitivities. Good hygiene matters too. Trim nails regularly, keep feet dry, and change socks daily. Supporting your routine increases your chances of success. Some people report smoother, clearer looking nails after consistent use, while others may need additional care from a medical professional depending on their condition. In conclusion, Lunavia's Toenail Fungus Pen can be part of a daily routine for improving nail appearance and confidence. The key is patience, proper application, and healthy habits. From zero to pro means knowing that caring for your nails is a gradual process, but every step forward is progress.